Hello and welcome. In this presentation I'm going to show you how to configure Power Apps to send an image to SharePoint online. For now, this isn't a native capability. Many MVPs have struggled, as have I, to accomplish this. To date, as soon as a workaround method is created, back-end changes break the solution. Microsoft have for some time stated they are working on a solution. We eagerly await. The method I'm about to show you was created by John Liu. His solution is really clever because it utilizes a built-in capability that's unlikely to be broken. The reason being, this solution uses an underutilized Outlook connector. Even better, it's really easy to implement when compared to other methods, for example creating a Swagger file and custom connector. This presentation is supported by a step-by-step illustrative guide that you can download. See the link below. The Adobe document will walk you through the configuration process without the need to refer to the video. I produced this presentation entirely due to my own frustration. I've spent weeks trying to find documentation, and to date I've only found one method that still works. So hopefully I can spare you the same anguish.